Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It has almost been over a month since I have done an app video for you guys. So I thought that this video should be an app video. So I wanted this video to be a social media related one because that is one topic that I have not covered in this channel. And the first social media app that came to my mind was Instagram. I am pretty sure that 99% of the people watching this video have an Instagram account. So here are 5 apps that you could use to increase your reach on Instagram. I am Devatan and you're watching Tech Aisle. Let's begin. Instagram filters, if you don't know how to use them, could end up pretty bad and end up ruining your photos. And besides the fact that it could ruin your photo, it is also sort of limited, and that is exactly where a color story app comes in. What it is basically is, it's a video editing app but with more emphasis on filters and overlays. And the first options that you see are basic options like apply borders, crop, tilt, flip, etc. But it is only the next step that you do that will take you to the main intention of this app. You have filters, effects and many more. These filters can be beautifully used to increase the appeal of your photo. Once you have applied the filter, you can also adjust the intensity of that filter as much as you need. But I will admit it this though, the free options are very limited. And if you're just wondering which all are paid options, then you can say a plus option wherever the option is a paid one. There's a huge array of options, but again, as I told, the options are very limited. However, if you are serious with what you're doing and you know what you're investing into, then I would suggest you to go for the paid version, which starts at Rs 250. Hashtags are easily one of the most vital things to increase your reach on Instagram, and also makes sense, right? If you apply a hashtag, then more people can know of your content. But applying the right kind of hashtags can be a bit challenging, and that is one thing that this app tries to negotiate. This app suggests hashtag after you have uploaded a photo into this app, I think using AI, and I will tell you it does it very well. A few months back I had posted this picture on my Instagram page, which if you're not following I suggest you to, and I had not applied hashtags before I discovered this app. So once I discovered this app, I applied the hashtag that this app suggested to me, and I'm not exaggerating a bit, within moments a few likes instantly popped up. And besides, it also has no ads and the UI is also very easy to use. Alright, FocoDesign is one app which you would want to use if you want to up your stories which you post on Instagram. And I will show you how. And exactly like what the name suggests, it does what you want: photo editing, video making or collage making. You can do pretty basic stuff like cropping, adding text, blurring, marking up, stickers, watermarks, etc. But the main reason why I think you should be using this app is because of the story templates. You have editable templates which could make your stories or even your photos, if you are brave enough to use those, and it could be very useful. For example, I could use any of these templates and even edit the text so that it could be better. It also has a collage maker, as I mentioned previously, and it has lots of layouts for collage. This could be very useful if you promote your stuff through Instagram, if you're an entrepreneur or even anybody who promotes their stuff through Instagram. Sorry for interrupting, but if you're liking this content, then we hugely appreciate it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon if you're new here. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video. So this app, Pixlr, is a basic picture editing app at its heart, and like the color story app that I mentioned previously, this one also has a bit of filters, but I would suggest not using them or using them reducing the intensity, because the inbuilt intensity on this one is pretty high. But the main reason why I think you should use this app is because of overlays. Overlays, for those who don't know, are PNG files which you could add to your pictures or videos to make it more interesting. Like I will add an overlay right now. So this is how an overlay looks like if I add it into a video. Pixlr can help you do that if you do some things in your mobile. So you could do again basic stuff like adjustment, blur, smooth, sharpen, etc. But then you can discuss so many filters which you could use really well. And then, as I mentioned, you have these overlays. You can add many overlays and reduce the intensity, and if you want to create a layer sort of fashion, then you can just erase using the eraser so that it appears as if you have those overlays behind you. And you also have editable templates and text to make your images better. I recently read a fact that 85% of the videos that you post on Facebook and Instagram are seen without sound, and that removes almost half of your video, right? And you know what, which is the next best option for audio after audio itself? Well, it turns out that it is text, and HypeText can help you there to add text into your photos and videos. Text can be added to stories to make it more dramatic, but it is not like those bland stationary text which you see on the pre-built Instagram texts, but these are interesting moving text with animations in them. Alright, so if you're staying till now, means you have liked the video, right? No, I'm not asking for you to hit the like button or anything, but if you could do that, that would be great. But as a reward for you for staying this long, I would like to give you one more app, a bonus app sort of, and that is Adobe Spark Post by Adobe. Alright, I think this is one of the most downloaded app on this list with over 10 million downloads, and I think Adobe Spark Post could be used well to promote your stuff. These have very high quality templates, and it is free. Free things coming from Adobe is quite rare. You could use this effectively to make your stories and also post better. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.